Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in B2B selling techniques, we will discuss a very important chapter that talks about top negotiation skills and techniques. What are the negotiation skills and techniques that you can implement to close a deal with a prospective customer? The negotiation skills and techniques. It is a process of negotiation on a various factors including but not limited to pricing, features and the support. A customer actually is acquired, a customer is actually being sent a proposal. The proposal includes understanding of the requirements, the solution that is being offered, the testimonials, the customer support, what are the features that you are offering, what are the benefits that you are offering, the commercial proposal, the value that you are offering. These are basically the key ingredients of your proposal. The proposal is sent to the customer is happy with the kind of proposal that you have sent, is happy with the kind of features that you have added, with the kind of credentials that you have got, and the customer is also happy with the kind of customer support that you are providing. But there is an area of concern in terms of the pricing. Let's discuss them. So, negotiation can happen on various factors in terms of the features that you are offering, in terms of the pricing that you are offering, in terms of the customer support that you are offering. When you sit down on the understanding of the requirements and the negotiation skills, the process starts when the customer is acquired and before the implementation. The process basically is related to acquiring a customer but before the implementation of the services. It needs skills to listen, interact, engage and communicate with potential customers and convert them. You need the skills to interact, engage and communicate with your customers to close the deal. So, how you actually interact, communicate and negotiate is actually an integral part of your negotiation skills. How you actually go about doing it? The first and foremost point I always stress is the more you listen to the customer, the better you will be able to understand them. The better you will be able to understand them, then you will be in a reasonable format, so that the more you are reasonable, the better for you. Then avoid dragging, too much of dragging. There could be glitches, there could be hazards, there could be hurdles in terms of the price that you are talking about, in terms of pricing that you are talking about, in terms of customer support that you want to talking about. There could be issues in all of them. If you say that, okay, this is the price the customer is offering you, but he wants all the features that you have listed in the proposal, you cannot or will not say, should not say that, okay, this is the price that you are offering, I will cut down these features. That may not go down well with the customer. Okay, the customer doesn't want to compromise on the features that you are offering, but there has to be a little consideration as far as the pricing is concerned. What you can say is that, instead of actually cutting down on the features that you are offering, you can say, so this is the value that I can offer, this is the USP that I can offer. Say for example, if I am offering you a free 6 months customer support, the customer support could be extended to 9 months, so that the price remains the same and the features are not cut down. These are the key elements that you can think of implementing in your negotiation skills without doing too much of dragging. Negotiation skills understanding is the first point that we need to discuss about. Then the congenial environment, how good is the environment that we are talking about. We have also seen what we need to do in terms of the pricing that the customer is talking about. If the price is to be reduced, instead of reducing the price, add some value and add some USP. Say that these are the features that I am offering and this is the USP that I am offering you. This is not available with any of your previous other clients or other customers that you are offering this business for you. If you have competitors out there in the market, if the competitors are offering you this is the added value and the benefit that I am offering. The more you actually go on working on these factors, the more you actually go on doing these things, the more you will be able to much better to close the deal. The more you close the deal, the more you acquire the customers. Now let's discuss some of the best practices in the negotiation skills. Make sure the focus is more on the USP and the value. Say for example, if there is one particular company that is actually looking for a particular solution, they may not be talking only to one business, one customer. What they will be talking to, they will be talking to multiple vendors, and that includes you. You are submitting a proposal along with multiple vendors to this particular company. If the other companies are offering a particular solution, what is that you are offering? What is that makes you stand apart out other than the other companies? What is the single most factor why this particular company should actually consider you as a business partner? The USP and the value that you are offering. There has to be something unique, there has to be something different that other companies are not offering, and that is basically the USP and the value that you should be offering. The more the USP and the value that you are offering, and that actually makes you, helps you in actually acquiring that business. Always add extra support. It could be support or a training. There has to be something new, something extra that may not be a part and parcel of the pricing structure. Say if a company is offering, requesting you only a particular requirement, you are providing a solution to them, tell them that besides from this solution we also provide you training, besides from this solution we also provide you some support. That actually gives a lot of confidence to the customers, and the customer will be very happy that they are getting some freebies from the business. So anything extra, anything new, anything value that you can offer in terms of support, in terms of training, or you can think of something else, that value will go a long way in acquiring that business. Deliver on promises to make a customer an advocate. Whatever that you have promised to a particular customer in terms of your proposal, the solution, the features, that benefit that you talk about, when you close the deal, each and every promise that you made in the agreement, that has to be delivered. There is absolutely no compromise in that. When you deliver a solution that you have promised, the customer will be very happy. When the customer is happy, he'll become your advocate. He'll get you more and more referrals. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what are negotiation skills and techniques, negotiation skills explained, negotiation skills and techniques, the process, and what are the best practices you can think of implementing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.